Breaking: Trump demands crypto bill now. What this means for Bitcoin and XRP. Have you heard the latest news? Trump has just called for an urgent crypto bill to be passed as soon as possible, and this could reshape the future of the cryptocurrency market. But the real question is, what does this mean for Bitcoin, XRP, and the future of digital assets? Could this be the spark that sends Bitcoin's price soaring to $500,000 or even $1 million in the next decade? Stick around, because in today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Trump's call to action and how this bill could change the game for investors like you. Trump's post on social media has sent shockwaves through the crypto world. The former president has publicly urged Congress to pass a massive crypto bill without delay, and this could be the turning point for the digital assets market. According to Trump, the US needs to act fast if it wants to maintain its position as the leader in the global digital asset space. In his statement, Trump emphasized that digital assets are the future, and it's time for America to embrace them to secure its position in the global economy. This bill, which he refers to as the Genius Bill, is designed to create a framework for the regulation and growth of digital assets and help move the US to the forefront of the cryptocurrency revolution. But why the urgency? Trump believes the US could fall behind in the digital asset race if it doesn't move quickly. Countries like China are already integrating crypto into their economies, and he doesn't want America to be left behind. So, what exactly does this bill entail? According to reports, this legislation is focused on the regulation and adoption of stable coins, blockchain technology, and other digital assets. The bill seeks to create a favorable environment for businesses to innovate and use blockchain, making it easier for cryptocurrencies to be adopted in everyday life. Here's a quick rundown of some of the key points. Stablecoin regulation. One of the major aspects of the bill is that it will set clear guidelines for the issuance and use of stable coins, like USD Coin, USDC, or Tether, USDT, which have become critical in DeFi, decentralized finance, and digital asset trading. Blockchain innovation. The bill will also push for greater innovation within the blockchain space by encouraging private businesses and financial institutions to develop blockchain-based solutions. National security concerns. The bill will look at the national security implications of digital assets, ensuring that they are not used for illicit activities but can still thrive and be utilized as a legitimate form of financial technology. Trump's call for swift action is a direct result of his concerns that the US could fall behind other countries, particularly China, when it comes to adopting blockchain technology. Of course, with any major bill like this, there's always opposition. And one of the most vocal critics of this move is Senator Elizabeth Warren. She's raised concerns about Trump's personal ties to the cryptocurrency industry, particularly with his connections to stable coins, and whether this could result in personal financial gain. Warren has argued that Trump and his family would stand to make hundreds of millions of dollars if the bill passes, especially with his connections to the $1 stablecoin, which is backed by his financial interests. This is a hot topic in Washington, as Warren's criticism is not just political, but also stems from fears about the concentration of wealth and control in the hands of a few influential players in the crypto space. However, despite these concerns, Trump is pushing forward. He has made it clear that he wants bipartisan support to pass the bill quickly, which could potentially result in a huge legislative win for the crypto space. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the market impact. If this bill gets passed, the effects on Bitcoin and XRP could be massive. For Bitcoin, we are looking at a future where more institutional investors are able to legally engage in the market, creating a huge influx of capital into the space. We could see Bitcoin's price surge dramatically over the next few years as more businesses and financial institutions begin adopting it as a store of value. Bitcoin is already seen as a digital gold, but with clearer regulations and institutional support, its price could rise to $500,000 or even $1 million within the next 10 years. Many believe that the market for digital assets is only beginning to grow, and as adoption increases, the price of Bitcoin will follow. XRP, on the other hand, stands to benefit from this bill in a big way as well. XRP has long been a favorite for cross-border payments, and if this bill opens up more opportunities for global payments and stablecoin integration, XRP's price could easily hit $5 or higher in the near future. With Trump's push for stablecoin regulations and his focus on making America a leader in the digital asset space, we could see XRP and Bitcoin skyrocket. XRP could be positioned perfectly to benefit from increased adoption in the payments space and institutional interest in cross-border transactions. So, what can we expect in the near future? Bitcoin is already on its way to hitting the $100,000 mark in the next few months, but with this bill in place, it's realistically possible to see Bitcoin reach $500,000 to $1 million per coin in the next 10 years. This is not out of the question, especially as institutional adoption and regulation become clearer. As for XRP, I believe the $5 mark is in reach, particularly as stablecoin adoption grows. With Trump's bill moving through Congress, the next 12 months could be critical for XRP as it continues to benefit from global payments and institutional support. In conclusion, Trump's crypto bill is a game changer for the market. It has the potential to reshape the crypto landscape, making Bitcoin and XRP more accessible to institutional investors and businesses, which could drive the prices of both to new heights. The future of Bitcoin and XRP looks incredibly bright, and if this bill gets passed, we could see a massive rally in the coming years. So, now is the time to pay attention and prepare for what could be the biggest opportunity in crypto in the next decade. What do you think about Trump's crypto bill? Could this be the catalyst that propels Bitcoin and XRP to new all-time highs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another update on the latest crypto news.